So this one's a long time coming, bro.
I'm ready to go exploring.
Bro.
At exploration.
Let's do this.
Rick.
All right, so we got Bryce right here. Long time coming right here for exploration. What can you tell us about this trail, bro?
Oh, dude, it's awesome. We have so much fun.
All right,
Got
cool.
a great view at the top and lots of fun downhill. Have a good place.
What was your name again, bro? Rick. Cool.
Great.
Rick and Rich. Let's do this.
Yeah, but hey, it fits all the bikes. Let's go.
Shuttle right here, bro.
This is one to remember. Shuttle is the way to go.
Out here in like the middle of nowhere right here.
The crew that day was smooth.
Exploration trail, bro.
The flow, gnar, and speed put this trail together with an XC style that will keep you on your toes.
Let's go.
I can get the rear
So I like it, bro. I like the little hip pack.
At first, especially the pressure on the belly, but
Incoming. This is exploration trail, and we're gonna hit Keller Peak. Got Andy right here on the analog.
Let's go.
Rick, aka Gary. Andy?
I think it's gonna be a fun day.
You got that drop.
Wow, look at that view.
Come on, man.
this isn't even the bunk truck yet. This is just the pretty stuff.
Wow. There's Rich and Rick, aka Gary. We're going up.
This is in California. It's called a fire lookout, basically. So there's all these towers across the mountain ranges in California, and people get paid to live in these things for like a week at a time. It's like a week on, week off
Really?
kind of thing. You basically live, and you basically have a panoramic view, and you can spot smoke and fire.
Oh.
So you're an early warning system to
So
where
it's for
fire
smoke
moves.
watchers.
Yeah, it's a fire lookout tower.
Bro,
Good ride,
that's
huh?
Yeah, it's super sick out here.
Mine used to say, "Come on up," and that was actually a cabin up there. There's windows all the way around. There's a bunk and a desk and a bunch of radio equipment.
That is sick.
Or burned down.
Dang, you should take a picture now.
I got another picture. Probably
Look at this.
too. How about it?
We made it.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Keller Peak. Pretty sick, right?
Yeah, this is awesome.
Want to kind of enjoy the view. And then Bryce. Yeah, he likes it. It is really nice right there. Sending it. Yeah, let's go. Back to the truck and then kind of drop into exploration here. Bryce, Andy, Rich, and Rick.
Wow. It's like flat with a little uphill. It's been a while, so I know it's somewhere. I just don't remember where. Yeah, you'll probably see it. It's all with a little uphill. Always.
The Children's Forest Exploration Trail. That don't sound right, but okay. So somebody made this trail, I guess. Looks amazing, feels amazing. In the techie section. Not bad.
This trail is like no other. It had a cross-country style with some gnar and DH feel that will keep your blood
In
flowing.
memory of Janice Camacho. So I can get a view of this intense ride.
If you've never been here, you need to check this out.
Just not climb these rocks.
Shout out to Andy, Bryce, Rich, and Rick for being out there enjoying the adventure.
Just let it go. Just let go of the brakes. A little bit on some sections. The nice cross country.
Big props to Bryce for making this one happen.
Keeps you on your toes. Really keeps you on your toes. On those edges. It's the views, bro. The views are what is really good. I just can't. I don't know, it's just too much. It's a lot to take in. This chunk. Watch the line. Sick. It's fun, bro. Like this.
What?
Shred the gnar. But it's becoming a little bit steep here. A little bit fun. A little bit dusty and very loose. You gotta maneuver this rock. You got it, bro. Yeah, I got it. Little chunky, bro. Or a drop. Yeah. Definitely faster, more loose, more chunky. It's kind of a drop here. It's a lot of drops here. So sick. So fun. Yeah, bro. Falling brace on the gnar and the flow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Bro, Bryce is going fast. He's going fast, bro.
If you're still watching, thanks for the support. Make sure to like and comment.
Dangerous, bro. Those loose corners. I don't really trust those edges, but you gotta just send it and just commit. Looks like a jump. Loose, 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 loose. Ooh, and super tight. Oh my gosh, that was fun. That was fun and dangerous. So I'm trying to follow him in. It's so sick. The good thing is he's been here, so I'm just kind of going off of him, just trusting his line. Some good lines, bro. Some good lines. That was fun. What a riot, bro. Rollers dropping into there. We'll see. So here we go. Here we go. So we got this rock roller right here. Ooh, yeah. So fun, bro. Ooh, yeah.
Easy.
Bro, there's so much flow here, bro. Gotta be on the DH game right here. It's amazing. I think following Bryce helps a lot. That speed, he knows the trail good. Speed. And that chunk. Oh. So sick. It's a cinder. Ooh. You gotta just send it, bro. That was some fun little drops there. I'm just kind of taking it as I see them but they're there. The drops are there, bro. You just gotta see them, dodge the trees a little bit, you know, and then just catch that speed, bro. Like, I don't know, it's so fast. It's so fast. Wow, that's insane. Stopping right here. Here looks so sick, bro. Like, I'm so scared that rock is gonna. That's a trail duck. Look, that's a trail duck. It's got the body and the head, and then there's a big rock on top of it. A little bit of tech here. Ooh, a little bit of tech here. Oh my god. Ooh, that's a sender. Ooh, that's a sender. Oh my gosh. That's a good one. That's a good one. And it's a sender. Ooh, a sender. The senders are real. This is so different than any other trail. I can't explain it. I can't explain how this trail is, but it's so good. It's just so good. Yeah. Ooh, that's, ooh, yeah, Rich. There's some wicked rollers here. Oh my gosh, what a beast! Oh yeah, bro. Dang, bro. Sick. Oh my gosh. Goes exploration. I like it. Exploring. A little bit of climb. A little bit of fun. These rock rollers are sick. Little sender here. Sender with a turn. It's got flow. The flow doesn't even have berms, and you can feel the flow. It's just so good. You can just feel it, bro. It's just such a well-built trail. Loose, bro, loose. Ooh, chunky, 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 and loose. Ooh, spicy, spicy. Oh, oh, I almost ate it. Sometimes the chunk will get you, and sometimes the chunk will flow you. It will just flow you. Oh, this rock slab is amazing.
With you,
Nice work, Andy.
like that, but I don't think it was Skyline. Yeah, so it goes up 2 and 10, and like I remember taking
Goes Rick.
Pirates. Sorry.
Yeah, Rick.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right, we're following Bryce. Baby chunk here. Some rock slabs. We are going the distance here. Checking it all out. I like this rock. Oh, nice and techy, nice and techy. Bryce is getting it though. Oh, I didn't quite get it, but he's taking it. So I'm just gonna follow him. Oh my gosh, this big rock roller. Bro, this part is pretty savage. I'm taking this guy. Oh, oh, so spicy, so spicy. This guy is on fire.
I think there's a little more, but that's the section I think I was remembering.
There's Andy. Getting it, bro. Okay, let's do it. 18 miles. Oh, bro. Ooh, that's spicy. Nice and easy here on this turn. Definitely chunky. Definitely some sections that are. Oh man, look at this rock. Wow, that's nice. Nice and easy. Oh, you don't want to fall down there. Nitro, bro. We're gonna go nitro on this trail. That's what Andy said. Right, Andy? 3 nitros deep on this trail. Andy, we're 3 nitros deep in this trail. Sick. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro, the rocks are even falling. Yeah. Follow cam on Rich. Taking the knot right here. Yeah, Rich! Dang, bro. Monkey. Leading the way.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, Rick! Woo! Send it. Bro, we are back to reality. Wow. My gosh. Hey, Rick, so what you think about the trail?
I thought it was good.
Pretty gnarly or what?
Gnarly for me, yeah.
Pretty intense, right?
It had everything, I mean, like you guys said. It's a good building block for me.
Pretty sick, right?
Yeah.
Got a good variety.
Yeah. Bryce knows I hardly ever ride trails like that. So.
Hey, you just have no blood on you.
Pretty tech, huh, Rich?
Yeah.
Pretty tech.
Oh, maybe a little.
I'm almost certain that's the guy. I'm like, I was like, yeah, that's about 4 or 5 years ago.
Vail,
That-
huh?
that
Yeah,
happened.
Vail.
Wow.
I went out.
You got Rich.
What a day.
Hope to see you on the next one.
Who's is this? Ask you guys. Oh, yeah.
Send it, bro.
What'd you think about the trail, bro?
Trail was awesome. Trail was super techy, super flowy.
Pretty sick or what?
A diamond in the rough, man.
I think so.
It's like a little gem, huh?
Yeah, it's a gem.
It met
Not a lot of trail. I can't think of another trail that's like exploration.
It's so different, isn't it, from other trails?
It really is.
So sick.
Puts you in mind of a combination of trails.
Yeah, it really does, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
Easy.